Welcome students. In this lecture we are going to discuss about three important name reactions which are having starting letter H along with one another important name reaction which is having the starting letter K. The first one is Helmholtz-Zelansky reaction. If you see this name you will get some information related to this reaction. This H indicates the halogenation with the help of chlorine and bromine, and this R indicates the a small amount of red phosphorus is used to in the reaction, and this lean indicates linear, nothing but the aliphatic carboxylic acid. If you see carboxylic acid in presence of red phosphorus undergoes the halogenation and they will produce the mono alpha halogenatic acid. That produced mono alpha halogenated acid further reacted with a base, then the bromine is replaced with the hydroxyl group and forms the lactic acid. And the same thing if the bromine is reacted with ammonium, they will produce alanine. If the bromine is replaced with the cyanide, then they will produce the alpha cyanopropanoic acid. When further subsequent hydrolysis, they will give the methyl malanoic acid. And the second reaction is Hovans-Oski reaction. In this reaction, the benzene contains hydroxyl group and hydroxyl group. Nothing but benzene with hydroxyl group, we can say it as a phenol, and it's having many OH groups. Nothing but polyhydroxyphenols are the phenolic ethers, are the some reactive heterocyclic compounds undergoes the acylation in presence of nitrile and hydrochloric acid along with the Lewis acid. These are the three reagents we are going to be added so that you will get a acylation product. If you see this polyhydroxyl reacted with methyl cyanide in presence of zinc chloride and HCl, they will produce on subsequent hydrolysis they will produce the 2,4 dihydroxy acetophenone. The COCH3 group is going to be added. That is the name, that is the reaction of the Hovans-Oski reaction. Next we are going to discuss about a Hofmann rearrangement reaction. In this, the Hofmann bromide rearrangement is the famous name. Why? Because the bromine is more preferably using halide than the chlorine. In this reaction, the amide in presence of bromine, amine will be formed. The conversion of amide into a primary amine with a carbon less by the action of the alkali hypohalite, nothing but the sodium hydroxide in presence of bromine or the chlorine. Generally bromine is more preferable, and they will produce this amide by losing one CO compound. They will form the amine compound, that to a primary amine. And the last reaction which is having important for a K letter name reaction, Konvinegal reaction. Condensation of the aldehyde and ketone or the ester, anything you may take, with the compound having active methylene group. Active methylene group nothing but the alpha hydrogenated compound. In presence of base, they will form the alpha beta unsaturated compounds. If you see the reaction, when aromatic aldehyde reacted with alpha hydrogenated compound in presence of base, they will subsequent hydrolysis and decarboxylation, they will produce the alpha beta unsaturated compound. Cinnamic acid is going to be produced.